So walk through an Amel 55, 1.2 million euros, including VAT. And you have a sea berth and a heads. Bit of a step down there. And a step up. A nice navigation station. And we have George here making making some croissants. Nice dining area. And ensuite bathroom plus shower. Vanity table and back out to watch some TV. Would you like this speedboat? There's George up there looking pretty cool. This is a Bayliner. It's got a fantastic platform at the back. And this is for towing. Excuse me. Pardon. This is a really cool sitting area at the back. A platform to stand off and swim from. And seats all there. And then you've also got to do 36 knots compared to my 5. Got nice seating around here for several people, 4 or 5 people. Have a sharp plotter in here, and we'll be bumming along. And down below, George finds enough room. He's 7'4". He can sleep down there. Very comfortable seating. You can step up in the front here. Maybe you can lie out there and sunbathe. You've got a fridge for your beers. You've got a sink. Here's a slightly bigger boat called Unforgettable. This is where I belong, a proper powerboat. And here you have your cabins downstairs. Nice bathroom. An even nicer bedroom. A big circular window. Wow, nice television. Sorry.
Ah oui, facile.
This is my next Beneteau called a Monte Carlo. Hey?
featuring Harbour Wall.
First sale of 2014.